Welcome back to FaceItNet. We are back again after a month. Hope you guys have enjoyed your holidays and it's going to be a new beginning. Let's start new beginning with a new installation video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install Ubuntu desktop on a virtual machine. Of course, this is a very beginner guide. It's just very simple to install a virtual machine, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm sure there are people like looking to see how to install the virtual machines and how to install operating systems on different virtual machines. So Ubuntu desktop is one of the famous operating system in recent time, and of course it's been very heavily used in various environments. So for every IT person would like to get experience in Linux operating system, so Ubuntu desktop is one of the best way to start your experience in Linux based operating system. So today to help you guys, I'm going to show you how to download or from where to download the Ubuntu software and then install it on a virtual machine. So here is the link here. So you can go to ubuntu.com. So if you go to ubuntu.com, click on downloads and click on the Ubuntu desktop. Of course, you can see Ubuntu has got 20.04 and also they have released the Ubuntu 21.10. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install 21.01 on a virtual machine. So I have got VMware Workstation Pro, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this Ubuntu 20.21.1 on a VMware Workstation virtual machine. So let's click here, click the button to download. So once you click the button to download, it will download. As you can see, I have got the virtual machine downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and install now this downloaded image file on a virtual machine. So stay here. I'm going to create new virtual machine and then we'll install it there. All right. All right. Here we have my workstation and it has got the license for 1 year. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine. So go ahead and create new virtual machine, click next, and then you have to browse and show where you have got your downloaded image file. So my image file is saved in my link drive here. So I'm just going to open up here and you will see Ubuntu 20.10. Here we go. Click open, next, and you can give a name. So I'm going to give my name here, username, password. So you can provide any password and give a confirmation password. Next. Okay, so the reason because I've got a capital letter here, right? So let's go change that and go on. Right, so title, I'm going to say the virtual machine name, I'm going to say Ubuntu 21.10 just to make sure that's the new virtual machine. Click next. I'll leave 20 GB, it's fine. 4 GB is fine. I'm going to click finish. Right, now the virtual machine is just starting up. You can see, right. All right, it's loading up now. So let's wait for the virtual machines to load up. Let me put it into full screen mode. Right, I'm just going to drag it to middle. Right, so it's now installing the Ubuntu 21.10. This is a very quick and fast installation. As you can see, it's almost done, right? And it's a new desktop image. It used to have a different image file. Now they have got a new image file there, right? So waiting here. Of course, we have to change the time. Pretty much it's wrong. So it should be, I think it's 1 hour early for some reason. I'll check that one later on. So let's wait here until we finish this one and then we were happy to log in and see what's new in 21.10. Right, so it's pretty much it's verifying your configurations. um, so you can see what's happening now. um, so as you can see, this is very straightforward installation. It doesn't have anything to go configure specifically, right? Um, it's a simple steps anyone can follow. If you are a beginner in IT, this is going to be very easy to install. And modern operating systems are easy to install. You don't need to do a lot of manual tasks these days. It's a single click installation as well. So we're almost there. Um, let's wait to complete this. So if you wanted to see how to install Ubuntu server, watch my previous videos. I've showed you guys how to install Ubuntu server as well. So you can go back and see my previous videos to see how to follow 20.04 Ubuntu server installation guide. Right, so it's installing some more softwares. Once all the software has been installed, we should be ready. As you all know that Ubuntu, Mac operating system, they all share almost quite similar kernels. More and more, if you look at the Ubuntu GUI, it's more over looks like Mac operating system. So if you are a Mac user, you will not see many differences between Mac and Linux operating system or Ubuntu operating system. Even the new Windows 11 are quite similar to the Mac flavor. So you're getting almost like every operating system into common GUI, so which is going to be really easy for end users. You don't need to really worry about too many things, like it's all going to be looks similar. Right, we got almost around 2 more minutes to complete this task. Um, So I'm going to hold you guys, so I'm going to just pause the video. Once the installation is done, I'll restart the video again. Alright, so the installation is now finished. It took me around 20 minutes to complete the whole installation. Um, yeah, it was around 20 minutes now. As we can see, the installation is done. Let's wait for the login prompt to come in and then we can start. All right, here we go. So we are ready. Enter the password and we should be ready. There you go. So the virtual machine is now ready. So you can skip this one if you want, or otherwise if you have got an account, then you can just add it. Otherwise you can skip this. Right. So that's improve, help. So that's quite similar thing. Location, services, and these are the softwares we have got. So you can use software to install apps like these softwares. Especially they have now, you can see Zoom has been added, Microsoft Teams has been added, couple of new features been added there, and Discord is there as well. So so these are recent famous softwares, right? Recently it's been used as a sort of a famous softwares. So done. There you go. So now we have got the Ubuntu 21.10 installed, and of course you can see Firefox is built-in software already there. We can update. If you wish, you can use the command line to update the operating system, as in sudo apt-get update, sort of those commands. Yeah, so that's all pretty much what you have. Oh, there you go. Do you want to install the updates? So I can say click to install the update, so it's just pick some updates available. Yep, so that's all about Ubuntu, and that's yet applications. Here we can create desktop, sorry, they're sort of like all the applications. And even if you want to search some application, you can type in here. So if you type in here, it lists down everything. So it's a simple search for all the services and all the settings and everything. And there you go, the App Center. So yep, that's all about Ubuntu Desktop 21.1. And if you have any questions, so if you want to see something new on Ubuntu 20.0, just 21.10, please let me know on my comments. I'm happy to go through some other configurations. So on my next video, I might show you guys the new features and what we have in Ubuntu 21.10.